Kayla. Elephants in the jungle. Alright, this is Kayla on her cruise and crawl. This is her little activity center that she absolutely loves and adores and spends most of her time just looking and playing. This is actually where she stood up yesterday. Look it. Say hi, Mamita. Kayla, look this way. Kayla, say hi. Say hi, Mommy. Okay. Say hi. Peekaboo! 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 There you go. That's right. Okay. You gonna say something? Okay. Okay, there she goes getting pissed off. Kayla, watch out. You're gonna go back. Say hi! Alright, here. Here, baby, here. Here, Mama. Say thank you. Say thank you. Those are your playing balls. You gonna show everybody how you know how to clap now? Hey, look. Clap, 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 clap. Clap, 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 clap. Clap, clap. You gotta get your balls out. Get your ball out of your hand. Okay. All right.